Hey, I hope you are having a great day. I just wanted to share with you a tasty breakfast recipe that a lot of vegans are talking about. This morning, I cooked myself a delicious peanut butter banana quinoa bowl. I got this recipe from my good friend Justin K's plant-based recipe cookbook. If you haven't already tried this recipe, I absolutely recommend giving it a try tomorrow morning. You can also eat it any time of the day. I'm about 110% sure you'll like it. Talk to you soon. Click the link below to learn more. Justin K's vegan recipe cookbook features more than 100 delicious, done-for-you plant-based recipes that are super easy to make. You'll become your own chef in no time and will keep your family and friends healthy along the way. Justin shows you how to prepare tasty healthy vegan meals that are also great for fueling your workouts and helping you lose weight. You will learn every aspect of cooking for healthy living and reaching physique goals. And it's more than just a cookbook. Plant-based recipe cookbook is a complete plant-based nutrition guide full of cooking tricks, nutritional tips and dieting strategies. Make sure to go grab your copy by clicking the link below.